This is a bearings question, and both parts are talking about working out or calculating, and it says it's not to scale, so we're not going to do any measurement at all. It's all going to be calculations. First thing I'm going to do is label the diagram a bit more clearly. So we've got that B is 25 kilometers due east of A, and then we've got this one is due north, so I'm just going to connect them up, and then D is 45 kilometers due south. So 25, 25, 45, and this is a right angle. Work out the bearing of B from C. It means I start at C and I want to get to B. I'm going to draw my north line. Okay, and then I want this angle here. Now we've got to look at this triangle and see that actually we've got an isosceles triangle. We've got a 90-degree angle here, so that's going to mean these two add to 90. This is going to be 45. And therefore our answer, part 1, is going to be 180, because that's the straight line, minus 45 to give us 135 degrees. Calculate the bearing of D from B. I'm expecting this to be a little bit more complicated because of the 4 marks. D from B. Okay, let's connect it up again. I'm going to put my north line in again. So I want B, starting at B, I'm going to D, I want this angle here. Okay, how can we do this? Well, we know again that we've got a right angle here. So if I can work out this missing angle, then I'm basically done, because I know this here is 270 degrees. Okay, how am I going to do this? Well, I've got a triangle. This is also a right angle. So if I'm just going to draw this triangle over here. 45, 25. This is a right angle, and I want this angle. This is going to be a trigonometry question, SOHCAHTOA. Label my sides. I've got the hypotenuse, I've got the opposite, I've got the adjacent to the angle. So what do I need to use? I'm going to be using TOA, and I can write down that tan, let's call it x, tan x is going to be opposite divided by adjacent. So x is going to be inverse tan this. Okay, I can work that out, which gives me 60.945, and I'm nearly there. So now if I want the green angle, it's going to be not this bit, just this bit. It's going to be 270 minus 60.9. And I get 209.05. It doesn't say how to round it, but let's round it. It's very close to 209, so let's round it to 3 significant figures. 209.